Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can curve text in Photopea. So first of all, let's go to photopea.com. I presume that you already have your text going and also your project, and it's actually very easy. Let's say we have this Hello YouTube title that we want to curve a bit. So we click it out, we scratched it in, and then click on Warp, which is on upper part of our screen. We click on Warp, and straight away you see there is basically you can't move the bend, horizontal distortion or vertical distortion. So we have to first choose the style, and you have all the styles. Probably the arc will be the most common one, and as you can see straight away it's curved. Now we can choose the bend, horizontal distortion, let's keep it on 0%, and vertical distortion. I like it like this. So you press OK and then confirm. And as you can see, it looks like from Star Wars, but a little bit vice versa. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.